my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of composting, a key ingredient for successfully organic gardening. But first, let's understand what composting is all about. Composting is like a natural recycling system. It's the process of breaking down organic matter into a nutrient-rich soil. And it's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their garden's health without relying on synthetic fertilizers. Now, let's talk about why composting is so crucial. There are several reasons why composting is a must for organic gardeners. Firstly, it enriches the soil with essential nutrients, providing a buffet of goodness for your plants. Unlike chemical fertilizers, compost releases nutrients slowly, promoting long-term soil health. Plus, it improves soil structure, making it a better at retaining water, a real lifesaver during dry spells. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Composting is a simple four-step process. Collect, mix, wait, and use. Step 1 is collecting browns such as dried leaves, and greens such as ipil-ipil leaves, kitchen scraps, or malunggay leaves. Step 2. Mix. Here we will do some layering. Layering first the browns, followed by the greens. Make sure that browns is 50% more than what you have for the greens. Also, we can add garden soil with Vermicas. This ensures the right carbon to nitrogen ratio for optimal decomposition. For quality compost, you can add coffee grounds for added nitrogen and powdered eggshell for calcium. Next, all you have to do is repeat the process. Last but not the least, add some water. This will speed up the decomposition process. And now, it's time for us to use our organic compost to plant mung beans. And there you have it! It's a simple, cost-effective way to boost your garden's health without reducing risk. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, composting is the secret sauce for a thriving organic garden. So roll up your sleeves, get composting, and let's make the world a greener place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Happy composting! See you next time!